Hey everyone, the Machenike Mini GTS marks a bold step forward in the compact PC segment, blending powerful performance, advanced AI capabilities, and a futuristic design into a small, meticulously engineered chassis. Priced at $1,164, the Mini GTS brings together cutting-edge hardware and innovative features that make it stand out from conventional compact systems. At the heart of the Mini GTS lies Intel's Core Ultra 9285H processor. This CPU, part of Intel's latest generation, built with AI acceleration in mind, integrates ARC graphics based on the Xe architecture. This means users can take advantage of advanced visual technologies, such as XeSS2 upscaling and frame generation, providing smoother gaming and more responsive creative workflows even without a dedicated GPU. The combination of power and efficiency makes the Mini GTS equally suitable for demanding productivity tasks, AI development, or entertainment setups. Machinike's configuration choices also reflect a focus on future-proofing. The base model is already equipped with 64 gigs of dual-channel DDR55600 RAM, which can be expanded up to an impressive 128 gigs via two SO-DIMM slots. Storage flexibility is another strength, with two M.2 slots allowing up to 4 terabytes of expansion. Out of the box, the system ships with a 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, ensuring fast boot times and seamless multitasking. A particularly intriguing aspect of the Mini GTS is its inclusion of a dedicated AI processor rated at 99 TOPS of compute performance. This onboard AI chip is designed to enhance the performance of over 400 AI-optimized applications, from creative tools to productivity suites. Its unibody metal design exudes premium craftsmanship, and the addition of a 2.33-inch TFT smart display on the top surface adds a distinctive touch. This display presents real-time system data such as CPU and GPU temperatures, clock speeds, and memory usage, turning the PC into a dynamic and interactive centerpiece on any desk. RGB lighting is subtly integrated beneath the hinge through a hidden strip that supports customizable lighting modes, including color cycling, breathing, and rainbow effects, all of which can be managed through the Machenike M Control software. Connectivity options are another highlight of this mini PC. It includes dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed networking, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless connections. The port selection is generous and modern, featuring 2 USB-C ports, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort 1.4. The system supports up to 4 external displays with 4K output, making it an ideal choice for content creators, streamers, or professionals needing expansive multitasking capabilities. The Mini GTS is capable of sustaining CPU power loads of up to 65 watts continuously without throttling, ensuring consistent performance under prolonged workloads. Machenike also emphasizes durability and reliability. The Mini GTS has undergone extensive testing for stress, temperature, and system stability to ensure dependable operation. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11, offering users a ready-to-go experience right out of the box. In summary, the Machenike Mini GTS is not just another compact PC, it is a sophisticated fusion of performance, intelligence, and design. Its blend of a high-end Intel Core Ultra processor, robust AI capabilities, ample memory and storage options, and distinctive interactive features makes it one of the most advanced mini PCs currently available. Whether used for gaming, creative work, or AI-driven applications, the Mini GTS stands out as a testament to how much power and innovation can now be packed into a small, elegantly built device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.